Hi guys, thank you for joining me. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make a hair custard. So it'll be for my hair. So I have like, I'll say about 4C type hair. So like thick, frizzy, coarse hair. So yeah, I'm gonna be using 5 ingredients. I'll be using coconut oil, aloe vera gel, a little peppermint essential oil, some hemp seed oil, and then some shea butter. So that's 5 ingredients there. I'm just gonna be mixing it up. I'm gonna put it all into this little jar right here. So I'm just gonna be starting, this is my first time trying this, so I'll start small. Okay. So first thing I'm gonna start with is the coconut oil. Seems like a good base to start with to me. So I should roll down some stuff here. Alright, so we'll use the coconut oil. So this the coconut oil, it acts as a deep conditioner while reducing protein loss in hair and also protecting the hair from damage. So yeah, just gonna start with this as my base. It's like a spoon of that. I'll use more. Need more. Next, I'm going to add some shea butter to the mix. Alright, so the shea butter, it locks in moisture as well as soothes an irritated scalp and leaves hair feeling soft. So yeah, it's good for thick hair and frizzy hair. Control. So I have this thick shea butter. I'm just going to crush, crumble it up in here. So be easy to mix. Already crumbled down pieces in there. I'll use those. Sorry, use those. I'll stop there. I don't want to put too much shea butter. It'll be too thick for your hair. If it's too much shea butter, it's not good for you. And if you have dreads, I do not recommend shea butter in your hair at all. So if you have dreadlocks, throw that out there. Rub this in. A little chunk here. So next I am going to add my aloe vera gel. So the aloe vera gel, it repairs and moisturizes your hair. Also deep cleans your hair. It makes your hair easy to detangle. So yeah, it'll be good for our mix. My little hair custard. I'll squeeze a lot of that in there. So I like aloe vera for the hair. I'm just gonna add my essential oil now. This is peppermint oil. So this has antiseptic, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties. It also causes the hair follicles to expand, which increases the blood flow, which allows your hair to grow. Stimulates growth. Shea butter. last but not least, I'm going to be adding the hemp seed oil here. Alright, so the hemp seed oil, it provides hydration and shine to your hair. And it also nourishes your scalp. So, yeah. And I'm going to mix everything up. Nice and orderly. So while I do this, I want to tell you guys about the hair oil I made with the aloe vera gel. So I'm gonna this. Sun's coming out. So it worked really well for my hair. I really recommend it. You know, I used it for about I used it like twice a day. The little 4-ounce jar I had, and it lasted about 2 weeks and a half maybe. So yeah. It doesn't last long when you use it as much as I did, but I used it because I got these braids in. I like to keep my hair oiled, you know, maintained, and just protect it really so it doesn't fall out. So yeah, let me just keep stirring this. And also, the oil also, it helped my hair a lot. It made my hair thicker, fuller, and then it also made it like less frizzy. I noticed that a lot, even with the braids. So it was great. You know, I'll show you guys. I'll get a little closer. Maybe you guys can see. So I'm gonna bring this in anyway. But yeah, I'll show you these braids in, and yeah, pretty old, but the hair looks healthy. You know, and I know how my hair normally looks, and it's, it looks healthier after the aloe vera oil treatment that I had. So it looks like a hair grease a little bit. I don't mind. It's probably good. Smells good. While I'm using this plastic spatula, it's not gonna work as good as a spoon, so get back at it. It looks good. Looks like it'll be beneficial to your hair. Yeah, not too crazy for the hair. I'll show you in a couple seconds. Let's stir up a little bit more. Alright, it's been about a couple now. Alright, I'll show you guys now how it looks. It looks good. Looks like a nice hair custard to me. So yeah, so I'm going to try this out for you guys, but not on this video. I'm gonna take these out my hair, then I'll show you guys after I wash my hair, and I'll use it to like style. I'll probably twist my hair with it. I'll show you guys how it works after that, okay? But thank you guys for joining in. If you guys like the video, press like and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you and bye bye.